Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going for a POV drive in my Mark 7 Fiesta ST. Now we got this the other day and it's very new to me, so we're still learning the things that it does, but yeah, we're going to go for a POV drive today so you guys can see what it's like firsthand to be behind the wheel of one of these things. Let's get the engine on and let's go for a drive. We've got the keyless start due to this being an ST2, so we'll stick them down there. Put our belt on and go for a drive. And boom, we're on the road in the ST and it's already warm. The car warms up so quickly. I don't know if that's normal or not. It literally takes like 2 minutes to warm up this thing, which is pretty mental. But yeah, we're on the road. We're in a manual 6-speed, 180 horsepower at the disposal of my right foot. And yeah, I'm very excited. This is literally, I've only driven this thing a handful of times at the moment. It's still very new to me. So I still, every time I get in it, absolutely look forward to going for a drive. I don't know how they did that. How the hell? Oh, I forgot I'm recording. Alright, let's do this drive. I was so confused by what that car was doing. I was like, what on earth has he just done? So I quickly whizzed in before him so we're not stuck behind that kind of driving. But look at this, an empty dry road. Woo! So like I say, this is my new ST and the first time I've been in a manual for over a year now. And this thing is rapid, if you haven't noticed already. I'm going to clean that windscreen. Oh, that's the rear. How do I clean the front? There we go. So looking forward to when we start the modifications on this thing. I actually wanted to get this POV drive done because I've already got some modifications that I'm going to be putting on soon. And I wanted to do a POV drive while it's completely stock, so you guys can get an idea of what it is like stock. And then we'll do one when it's had a few modifications on, then you'll be able to see the difference, hopefully. But you know what? We're going to put it in sport mode. We do this by turning ESC off, by tapping it, and then you can see sport mode. I don't know what that does. I think it literally just turns the traction control off like halfway, so it allows a little bit of slip. But yeah, we're now in the ST's home, an English countryside road. And yeah, we'll see what this thing can do. It is very quiet, this car. Second gear, it has more give than you actually expect. And into sixth. It's so windy today, like I can feel the car being pushed a little bit across the road. It's really windy today. God, it is a good road, this. And a great car to be driving it on. Oh, it does sound good. It's quiet, but it sounds really good, and the feeling you get through the steering, and you do get really good feedback in this car. Oh, God, going through the gears. Oh, it's a lot of fun. Bit noisy, this car. I noticed on the motorway on the drive home from picking this thing up, it is a bit noisy at 70 miles an hour. You can probably get up to about 60 before it starts to, you know, the wind noise, and then you can really kind of tell that it's not that much insulation on this car, should I say. It's not really sound deadening, but I don't mind that. I don't do much motor driving as it is anyway, so. Oh, we're going for an overtake, are we? That's a bit. What? That is dangerous. What the bloody hell was that? That was so dangerous. He overtook on a blind bend. If that Honda came round 5 seconds earlier, that would have been, bro. What have I just witnessed? It's not even like he was like boom boom. He took like 10 flipping years to go past that car. What is he doing? Can we keep up with a Mercedes? Nope, because we're gonna lose it on the. Okay. Can we catch up to it? So that's the question. On the exit here. Woo! What a machine. We're gonna go around. Like I say, on the exit of a roundabout, this car is brilliant. It is a lot of fun, this car, but I think that is going to be where we end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, we're going to be starting the modifications on this very, very soon. So be looking out for that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Son, these boys can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gonna need some patience. I already won, now I'm just